Hey friends, it's Eva. Welcome back to my channel. Who is ready to do a little bit more of nail stamping today? I have a bunch of stamping plates that I got in the mail from Beauty Big Bang, and I do want to test them out for you guys. I will be doing separate videos because if I don't, the video is just going to be too long. So there's a total of 5 stamping plates. The one I want to review today is plate Beauty Big Bang 022. It's this one right here. It has a total of 6 images, and it comes in this cute little sleeve right here. It always has illustrations of how to stamp, and you can check them out on Instagram and Facebook. It's at Beauty Big Bangs. You can always hashtag them if you ever do a manicure. So here's the plate up close. I will probably end up using this image. We'll do a little bit of double stamping probably. If you have any questions, please ask below. Otherwise, you end up placing an order with this company. Make sure you use my 10% off code. It's DLikeDavid705. Again, that's DLikeDavid705. So let's go ahead and get this thing started. I want to use 2 colors today. It's going to be black and gold, and on my nails it's just a natural pink. It's actually just a polygel. It's not a color. So I will be leaving everything in the description box below in case you want to know the color I use, or especially the website. Here's perfect pickup. So let me do this real quick. Like I was saying, you know, I don't really like, not that I'm complaining, but I don't like the Nicole Diary stamping polish. It seems to dry up pretty quickly. As you could see, when I went to go transfer it, there were some pieces it didn't pick up, which is perfectly fine for this nail art because, again, it doesn't have to be perfect the way I'm doing this nail design. But I don't know if they've made any improvements on their stamping polish. I don't want to talk about them too much again because this video is more about a review on the Beauty Big Bang. So let's just focus on that. Here's another perfect pickup. What's the best way you guys like to stamp your nails? Do you do it this way that I did, or do you push it down? You know what? I'm going to do that again, but I'll put it on the lint roller because, just so that you know, it is a perfect pickup. It's just this polish I'm using right now. You see how perfect that is? And it picked it up all the way. Like I said, it dries up pretty quickly. Has nothing to do with the stamping plate. Okay? In case someone was wondering, I don't want to give the wrong impression of the actual stamping plate that we are reviewing today. So, yep. Let's see if it makes a difference if I hold it down. That's a little bit better. You could probably use that image to do like a camouflage effect, maybe. Maybe that's what I should have done. I don't think I have a dark green, like a forest green. I'll look, but I think I'm gonna use gold next with the black. So, am I the only one, or do you guys always wipe your plate after stamping? I've seen some people where they leave it and they just put another layer of polish and then they stamp it through, but I don't know. I feel like I always need to clean it each time. Okay, so I think we will proceed with the gold next. Let me just clean the plate a little bit. And the scraper, you always gotta clean your scraper because I don't want the black that I had left over and transferred over when I apply the gold. Okay, so let's start with the gold again here. You can overlap these when you're doing double stamping. At least that's how I do it. You see? Look at that. It's so pretty. I love that. I think I'm just going to leave 2 colors. I don't want to put another one on and then mess up the design. Let me know what colors you guys would use if you had this in your collection. What would be your color options? I don't think I've ever done a camouflage design. Maybe I'll do that in the near future. Here's this one. Looks all funky on the top. Alright. So, you guys ready for spring? Spring is around the corner. I live in Illinois. Right now it's in the 40s. But it's been sunny and I try to take full advantage when it's like that. Most of the time, you know, it's sunny during the weekdays when you're at work, and then by the time you get home, it's already, for me at least, getting close to the early evening, and a lot of times the sun is already the sun is already gone. So it's my day off today, so I've decided to spend most of the day catching up on my nail art stuff. Like I said, I have a bunch of stuff in the mail that I got last week. All of a sudden, everything kind of came in around the same time. It wasn't planned, but that's okay. Just has me busy. Well, it's gonna keep me busy for the next week or so, because I need to finish up and do all the reviews and just some manicures overall. So, okay, so here it is so far. Oh my god, I wasn't even looking at the camera. I hope I was in the frame. I will clean up and show you guys the finished design. I'll be right back. You know what? I thought I'd show you some peel porn. It's been a while since I've done that, so in case you guys want to watch this, but here it goes. Okay, so here you go. My nails are all finished, cleaned up, top coated with some Seche Vite. You see, this is what I was saying with the black. When you're cleaning up, it gets all dirty or looks dirty. Anyway, I love this design. I love this plate. You can do so much with it. Let me know if you guys like this manicure, if there's a certain color you want me to use instead. Your feedback is greatly appreciated. Please just no negative comments. No need to be rude. We are all here to learn from each other, so I just want positive feedback. If you have anything negative, just be kind. Don't be too rude. And yeah, like I said, if you are going to be placing an order from Beauty Big Bang, make sure you use my 10% discount code. It's DLikeDavid705 to get 10% off. Okay? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. There will be more videos coming with Beauty Big Bang plates. Take care. Bye!